Big CyberTruck. What's up? Oh shit. Thank God. Alright. Oh no, I'm afraid of the wings and fries tonight. I gotta go to the dentist and put them on. I gotta get my feelings. Elon Musk, he did him something with them. I'm sliding. Steve. he did him something with them. Boy, I was gonna do his thug dizzle. I remember when we first heard about the CyberTruck coming out, that'd be like 5 years ago, like 2020. When the CyberTruck came out, like 2023? No, 2024? No, 2024. Yeah, last year. Yeah, it was recent. Yeah. And they got the ambient lighting in this bit too. That bit hard. Yeah, that big thing. I mean, it better if it changed colors. Yeah. I know if they probably do got it somewhere, but either they ain't gonna let you do all that right now because it ain't your shit, or what? That's me. I knew there had to be some catch to it. Oh, what the fuck?
You said you had about 6 drinks tonight?
Yeah. A little less, actually.
Less? Okay. Do you feel comfortable, like you were able to operate a motor vehicle?
Yes, sir. More than comfortable. Yes, sir.
A few moments later.
1, 4.
Got going.
Like an airplane.
What's up? Nah, that bitch sound like Tron Legacy, bitch. What the heck? Hell nah.
Them kind of vehicles too.
That's crazy.
Oh, this shit hard too, bro. Oh, that bit, you can see the
all the cameras.
Yeah, like you see the back, the front. That bit like you going faster than the scene, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, that show distract me.
Yeah,
I know I don't crash cause I'll be looking at that bit non-stop. Yeah.
That shit right there, that Sonic pointed POV.
Sonic?
Yeah, I'm like, you ugly.
No cap. I've been moving dumb fast.
It don't even seem like we're going that fast, bro.
I'm 40. You used the windshield wiper yet? You know I've only got one windshield wiper.
Yeah. They don't got no water in this shit. I wanted to clean off the freaking...
Oh, they played.
Yeah, they don't got no water in that bitch.
Okay. Yeah. Get me the fuck up out of here.
That girl up at your job, in the CyberTruck. Oh, CyberTruck is that?
But I'm running also with the CyberTruck. Give business too. But I want my days off and my morning shifts.
No, you gotta hush up. They call you as a witness.
I'm gonna be like, I don't know what you're talking about. That's just how my schedule is. I gotta put a for Orlando next month for membership.
quick, man. I was trying to beat him.
I know they want to numb me.
Oh, they did.
Feelings.
Oh, yeah, they did. Bro, that'd be right. That'd be so funny.
What?
I love doing that shit.
Let me just show you how much Cowboy got for this.
Go ahead and get a pot out.
Yeah, I know. It's not my puppy's no more. Remember, I went for my birthday.
So we're about to go to the movies. Well, we're dying.
Oh, yeah. You remember? Yeah, that shit was crazy.
Slow my down before I tip this bitch. Turning swell.
That one. That all that motherfucker got so much control, boy.
What? Float this bitch.
That boy said that turning swell.
No cap.
That shit.
I love my life.
That bitch too freaking smooth, bro.
What? Damn, Tesla. Elon Musk, boy, you something else, boy. No cap. That boy something else.
I'm trying to show you.
And he coming out with a car that could fit like 12 people?
Damn.
Jeez.
That shit ugly as hell, though.
You know the motherfuckers will do everything.
Yeah. I got my car on me, though.
You got my uncle